Hi there, Lisa Gottlieb here. I'm a certified trainer with the Center for Nonviolent Communication and co-founder of Great Lakes NVC, an organization created to teach, practice, and share nonviolent communication. I am happy and excited to share with you today that we are embarking on our 6th annual Nonviolent Communication Immersion Program. What started as an in-person gathering in Ann Arbor, Michigan, has pivoted to an online intensive program for anyone, anywhere to join. We have people in our community who have been with us from the start, and every year we have new participants joining us, creating a warm and welcoming learning environment. This program is more than a workshop or a series of workshops. It's an opportunity to delve deeply into the consciousness of nonviolent communication, as well as practical tools that you can start right away to use with yourself, your family, your workplace, your community, and the larger world. From learning more about self-empathy and being curious about other people's experiences, to managing difficult conversations with more grace and ease, having a fierce voice for what you value, and communicating it in a way that's easier for other people to listen to, will help you learn how to make effective requests and bring NVC out into the world to address issues of social justice. Please join us in January 2021. Take a look at the details of the program, and we look forward to seeing you.